Hi there, it's Phil here. I'm just going to go very quickly through with you a problem that some people come across when they are trying to log into pressSIGN from a remote computer. So you might have a client running on a different computer away from the server, but still on the network, obviously connecting to that server network. So let's have a quick look at the issue that you might come across. So here we are in the pressSIGN. We've got the login window just in the foreground right here. And when you type in your password, whatever your password is for your name, and click on the login button, it may well come up with a red warning here that says could not connect to the license server. Please ensure that the license server is running and that a particular port is open. The thing to do here is look at the client name that you're running to make sure you're running the right client. You may have several client names listed here. I've only got the one at this particular point. The client name is kind of irrelevant. It just is a way of you referring to the client that's running on that particular computer, but that does relate then to the username and password. What you need to do is click on the three dots just here. So if you click on those three dots, let me show you what comes up. Give me 1 second. It comes up probably with a cannot connect to the pressSIGN database. So the issue is that for some reason the connection to the database has not been completed, and the first thing it says is ensure that your port 5432 is open. I wouldn't say that's the first thing to do, but it's something to do if this, what I call the first step, fails. So click on OK, and here's your name of the client that you're running. This is the activation code that's meant to be running, so make sure you've got the right activation code running. You can't run that activation code twice unless you have a specific situation where you've got multiple versions of that activation code. That can happen, we can supply that, but you'd know it in most situations. The thing to do first is check the IP address. So in this situation, the IP address of the server has changed, so I need to change it to the correct IP address where the pressSIGN server is running. So in my situation, it's 245. If I now click on OK, let's move that out. I'll now go back to the login window. All I've done is correct the IP address. I click login, and we are up and running. So that is really the simple, quick way of making sure that your pressSIGN is connected to the right IP address for the server. If you still can't connect, then maybe you will have to look at the TCP ports as suggested. But the first thing really to do is check that your activation code is correct and that your IP address is correct. Okay, hopefully that will get you through. If not, contact me in the normal ways through this website, through this YouTube channel. Leave comments in the comments box below, and I look forward to helping you again in the near future. Bye for now.